Hey, what's up? This is Seafood Cuddle, and I have Ian here with me, and we're going to be going over a drill for children's martial arts. Now, this one in particular is all about footwork, and what we're going to do is use a big kicking shield, and we're going to focus on his kicks. Now, I haven't told him what this drill is, so this is his first time doing this drill, and I'll explain what we're doing afterwards, okay? So go ahead and watch first and understand that this is actually all about the footwork itself. So he's gonna go to a guard stance position. Go ahead and give me a front kick. Go. Now, of course, you can use this for any kick itself. It just depends on how you're holding your pad. Ready, and again, go. Go ahead and take a step back. Go. Step forward. Go. Take a step to the side. Go. And a step to the other side. Go. Okay, now, what we're doing here is it's about 5 kicks, and this is developing proper footwork, all right? This time, I'll explain it as I do it, all right? Guard stance. So I always want to start with a neutral position. I want him to get used to kicking the pad and have 2 consistent kicks from a stationary position. Ready, go. And again, go. This way he can catch his bearings. Now from here, I'll either have him take a step back or step forward. So I move in, go ahead and step back. And then naturally, he's taking his step back. If it's not quite right, I'll have him do it again after the kick. Go ahead and kick. And then if I have a detail, I'll tell him now. So step with your back foot first. So step back. Nope, not all the way around. Take a step back with the back foot. Try it again. Yes, and kick. And step forward. Good, go. Now, on the side steps, we want to think of it as if he's stepping to his left, he's going to move his left foot first. If he steps to the right, he moves his right foot first. But that's very complicated to say, and then people tend to overthink. So I'll just take a step, ready, step to the side, and naturally he matches my step. If he doesn't, then we can go correct it. Go ahead, kick, and step to the side. Kick. Then we'll switch sides. Go ahead and switch. Ready, go. Go. Step back. Good, go. Step forward. Go. Step to the side. Go. Step to the other side. Go. And you'll notice too, as I'm stepping, I'm opening up my feet a little bit wider. I'm making more exaggerated steps so that he can follow along. I try to do this without explaining it. I try to make it almost subliminal to the student so that they don't have to think about that kind of a thing when they're going into sparring. They step correctly, they step naturally. This is how I train my students with every private lesson. When we start, we usually start with kicks, and it's this pattern, and I'll do it for all the basic kicks, okay? Once this becomes second nature to them, they can start focusing on things like combinations, they can think about what they're doing with their hands, but they won't have to worry about what's going on with their feet. So this is an excellent drill to develop those fundamentals that will translate over into fighting, okay? So for Ian, myself, Seafood Cuddle, we'll see you guys next time. Keep training. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Bam! Fist with the footwork.